Hi guys, this is Dr. Ramsey, your weight loss habitologist, and I wanted to talk today about just starting. And this couldn't be a better time for me to be able to share with this, with this with you, because it happens everywhere. There are times when you just want to have everything perfect, and when it doesn't look like that, then you have difficulty starting. I know that for myself, I'm feeling this way now. I have so many projects that I want to bring out, but I feel like, oh, the room is not ready, or I'm not perfect at playing the violin, or whatever the case may be. I know if I'm feeling that, other people are feeling that. And so I want you to just start thinking about maybe 3 things that you really want to start implementing in your life. For me, for example, I really want to start my series on the Coffee Talk with the Weight Loss Habitologist. And I want this platform to be just a time where I, as a medical provider, talk to you just like a normal person. I have the experience and the knowledge and the expertise behind me, but I don't want to sound like that. I want to sound just like a girlfriend, or a friend of yours, and we're just talking, because that's where I feel like the true magic happens. And so that is one of my areas. And then another area is learning how to play the violin. And I tell you, that is probably the most humbling experience I have ever experienced or I'm going through. And it matches a person when they're trying to lose weight, or any adventure. And even like this eventually is going to be my little room where I'm going to just relax and talk to you guys. And look at it now. It is just a plain wall. And I'm showing you that because I want you to see this is not perfect. It doesn't look like much at all. However, as the time goes on, as the weeks go on, I want you to see it transition. But these 3 things for me are going to be how I'm showing you the small changes that I am implementing everywhere. So I don't want you to feel like everything has to be perfect to get started, because that's also where overthinking comes in. Oh, I want it to be this. I only want to be that. And then when you sit and you try to start, you can't, because you're like, that's me. And so I really want you to just start where you are and make like a little small change. And so today, yes, I am videotaping in my soon to be office, and it is a blank wall, but it won't be like that for long. And I'm still giving you my information and introducing myself, and I am inviting you to come along with your projects and things that you're implementing so that you feel like you're not alone. And then with the violin, I'll talk about it from time to time, just so you can see my progression. And I will tell you now, I sound like a little screeching cat, but that's okay. I anticipate that, and that's normal. But my journey is going to look like no one else's but my own. And so I can't compare myself to a person that has been playing for 20 years, because that's not my testimony. My testimony is I am soon to be 50, whoop whoop, and I am taking on challenges that I was afraid to. And so I'm starting off and I'm sounding just like I sound, and I'm excited all about it. And let me tell you, I've had so much positive feedback about it that it's just encouraging me to keep going. And same with this coffee talk. I just want it to be a platform that we can talk about anything and everything when it comes to small changes, as it relates to weight loss and hormones, because I'm going through this transition. And if you are as well, let's talk about it. So please subscribe below so that you can get more information when I post information, so that you can follow along with me. All right, guys, enjoy your day, and I look forward to our time together.